What's up, guys? It's Claire, and I have a new video for you today. I have a ginormous surprise for you, and it's pretty big because you guys are going to be doing dares, and you're going to comment down below what do you think I should do after I tell you the surprise. And my other YouTube friend, Shantae, please do not spoil the surprise because you're on it with me, and I think you know what it is. So please, Shantae, do not comment, do not tell anybody what it is, because I'll tell you, I'll be telling you, so anyway, it doesn't matter. But so anyway, let's get right into the video so I can tell you what the surprise is. So the surprise is that I'm going away somewhere, but I'm not telling you where I'm going away. You're going to have to guess it in the comments, and the first person who finds it, I'm going to give a ginormous shout out. So please actually comment, and then you'll get a really big shout out, because I can tell who comments and who doesn't. So please comment down below if you have a guess of where I'm going, and I'm going with my friend Shantae. She's also a YouTuber, and we'll probably do a video together. And so stay tuned. I'm going to be filming everything, like me going to the airport, me packing everything. That's why I did that packing video. If you haven't already watched it, please go watch it. It's like packing hacks and like airplane hacks on what to pack, must pack on the airplane. And so, yeah, I thought people really liked it. So I just thought I would tell everybody the surprise. And why I thought this would be fun for you guys is that we might do like crazy dares or something like. So comment down below, what do you think we should do in the mystery place? But I'll tell you guys when somebody gets it. I'll do another video and be like, the shout out is to, yeah. So I'll do that. And so you guys might not think it's that exciting, but it really is, for me at least. So that's all I really need to tell you guys. So it's a ginormous surprise. You guys please comment down below, where do you think I'm going? Thank you guys for watching so much. It means so much to me. It means so much to me that everybody subscribes to me and everybody likes my videos. It means so much to me. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and so stay tuned. I will be posting another video of who won and the shout out. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.